All right, good afternoon. My name is Rob McNicholas. I'm the Corporate Vice President of Operations at SeaWorld Parks and Entertainment. I'm honored to be joined here today by Sophie Bollinger, President of Bollinger and Mabillard. Sophie, we thank you for your hospitality and for partnering with SeaWorld on another thrilling attraction. A year ago, you were on this same floor unveiling Pipeline, the surf coaster, a first of its kind, a guest favorite. And to say you're seeing this hand signal around the park, we see it all the time. But today, we're here to talk about Penguin Trek, our first family launch coaster with a 42-inch height requirement. But let me tell you more about Penguin Trek before we unveil the ride vehicle. With a 42-inch height requirement, it's perfect for the family. You'll board the snowmobile. You'll navigate through an ice cavern. It's the harshest environment on Earth. You'll hear the wind, the ice falling, and quickly you'll launch out at 43 miles an hour. Over 3,000 feet of track, 2 launches, twists, turns, bank maneuvers, low to the ground before returning to the station. But the adventure doesn't stop there. After you finish the ride, you'll come face to beak with over 300 animals, 300 penguins to be specific, Adelies, chin straps, gentoos, and everyone's favorite, the king penguin. And who are we kidding? 32 degrees in the middle of summer in Orlando is perfect. Well, I think it's about time we unveil the vehicle. Are you ready? Well, let's count down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, Penguin Trek. So as I said, Penguin Trek is a thrilling attraction, perfect for the family with a 42-inch height requirement. Our past members, we appreciate your loyalty, and you will have access to be first riders of this thrilling once-of-a-kind attraction launching in the spring of 2024. Wow. So thank you for coming today, and we can't wait to welcome you to the park to ride Penguin Trek.